Okay, what you're looking at is the dashboard in the car, and unfortunately, all of this is going to have to come out, this entire dashboard. And we're trying to get to what's called the blend door actuator. And this blend door actuator is right up in here, and I can't really show it to you, but long story short, it's very difficult to get to. We can get to this actuator, but the problem is the door that it turns is broken on the inside. So I'm going to back up and show you where that's coming from. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is what actually happened inside this car. I can't show you on the car, but this is our little actuator motor. It's got an electrical connector, plugs in there. And then when the car's computer will open this valve, it moves this little motor here. And like I said, this doesn't go to this car, but what's happening is, if you notice how this little piece is broken, so when this little wheel tries to turn, it doesn't open the door. And that's what's going on in the other car. So what we have to do in this car's case is we have to replace the entire evaporator housing. This thing is a monster, so the whole dash will have to come out. And a couple things I'm going to show you. Your heater core, they run antifreeze in and out of here to heat your car in the winter. This right here is your evaporator core, kind of show you how that works, but that's for your cooling of your car in the winter for the air conditioning. And then here's the little motor I was trying to show you on the dashboard. And we can get to the motor. The problem is the little door inside of there that turns is not moving correctly. So this whole part of this car has to come out of this thing just to get to. And unfortunately, in this car's case, we have to replace this whole thing. They will not let me just replace the door or the little pieces to it. So that's how your heating and ventilation comes up out of your dashboard. It's called an evaporator housing. And just an update on our evaporator housing, just to show you everything that comes out of a vehicle to get to this thing. So you're looking at a steering wheel there, parts from underneath the dashboard. Right here on the floor is the actual dashboard. And then I'm going to slide up this car, and if you notice, there's the instrument cluster, other various pieces. And then when I come down, there's the whole frame right here, which is that steel bar is the support for your entire dashboard. So that's how far this car had to come apart just to get to that evaporator housing.